Hello everybody, welcome to this workshop. And my name is Alissa, you can call me Lisa. I will be the host today. I would like to know all your nicknames and your New Year's resolution.
My nickname is Globish. For my New Year resolution is improve my English as well.
My New Year's solution is improve skill of English language and I can travel to other country by myself.
Hi teacher, hi everyone. My nickname is แก๋
Okay, yeah.
แก๋ and my New Year resolution are improving my English to speak fluently and to lose my weight.
Okay, so you can see it's the same story, but I added a lot of colors. So can anyone guess what each color means?
The red one is a pattern.
Yes, correct. What about green? I think the green one
It is noun.
Yes, noun. Yes. What about dark brown one? The article. Yes. How about the black one? He and they. Not verb. He, they, it, she.
Possessive.
Not possessive. Not his or their. Yeah. Subject. Someone said subject.
Subjects.
Yes, can be subject. What about the parts of speech? Which parts of speech is it?
Pronoun.
Yes, pronoun. Yeah.